Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to tell you how you can make random choices from a group of names or from a group of objects easily using using some online website. Now, although there are many online websites which are available, but the one which I use is the Wheels of Names. Now, this particular website, now you can see the first website, the name which appears on the screen is https://wheelsofnames.com. You have to click on that. Now, this is the page which appears. Now, on this page, you can see that on the right hand side, there are 8 names which are given. Also, at the top, entries are written. There are 8 entries. So, 8 names are there: Ali, Beatrice, Charles, Dia, Eric, Fatima, Gabriel, Hannah. Now, these people might be people who are playing in a game, and you have to randomly decide whose turn it will be. So it can happen that there are a group of 100 students or 100 friends, and you're playing a game together, and you have to randomly decide whose turn it will be, and you have to be also fair at the same time. So in that case, what you can do is you can just type the names of all the students or all your friends. Let's say Reena. A student or a friend of yours. Let's say Rahul. Enter. Anil. Enter. Tarun. Enter. Let's say Varun, and then enter, and let's say Ramya. There are 7 entries. Let's suppose this is a group of 7 friends and they are playing a game together, and they have to randomly decide who will play the game first. So what they can do, they can use this online website. This is I'm displaying this whole procedure for 7 students, 7 group of friends, but you can have any number of people over here. And here, then what you have to do is, after you have typed the names, you have to just click on spin the wheel. So you just have to, I'm clicking using my mouse, and now the wheel starts spinning, and now the pointer is pointing towards Rahul. So it's Rahul's turn, and now you can see that we have a winner, Rahul. And now once Rahul turn has come, you can remove Rahul from the list. So you can click on remove. So Rahul has been removed, and now there are only 6 entries. So again, you can spin the wheel by clicking at the center. The wheel will spin, and now the pointer is pointing towards Varun. So it is Varun's turn now. And now once you give Varun a chance to play the game or whatever activity you are doing, then you can remove his name from the list by clicking on remove. So likewise, you can use this particular website for playing any activity and making it a fun activity. If you are doing some quiz together, or if you are playing some game together, or if you are playing anything and you want to randomly decide upon who is going to have his or her turn, and you want to be fair at the same time, so you can use this wheelofnames.com website, which puts a fun element in the whole thing. In fact, this website can be used by teachers also in their online classes, and they can write the names of all the students over here on the right hand side, and then they can spin the wheel during the online class, and wherever the pointer, and then after spinning the wheel, wherever the pointer points, that name will appear on the screen. Here the pointer is pointing at Anil, so Anil's name will appear on the screen, or whatever student is there in the class, that the name will appear, and then the teacher can ask questions from that student, or they can play a fun activity together. So, and there are many other options which are available over here. Here you can add images. Instead of names, you can even add images. So you can have images of students. Here I don't have any image, but let's say if I can add this particular image, this is an image of an eagle, but instead of this particular image, you can add images of students, or photographs of students. So if you have photographs of all the students, or photographs of your friends, so instead of writing their names, instead of typing their names, you can just add their images and make it a fun activity. So that was all about in this video.